Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Tech Reviews from the Bathroom. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. Today, I want to continue with a series I started about bringing technology to the fish ditch. Now, one of the things we have to talk about is the recent weather. It's been very, very cold. And as you know, I have Echo Delta Max, right? I have the Echo Delta Flow, Eco Flow, the AC, but it's winter time, so I can't bring AC to the fish ditch and power it with the EcoFlow Max. So I tried using a portable heater, and unfortunately, using the electric heater, even with the Max, I might get 3 to 5 hours runtime, just depending on the settings. So in the extreme case, if I had to stay overnight, even with the solar panel, it would be a struggle to warm me up 24 hours to where it's camping or whatever. So I decided to try this little boy out, and we're going to unbox the portable buddy. And the portable buddy is a indoor or outdoor portable heater that heats up to around, I want to say, 225 or more square foot. The idea is that if I can get the EcoFlow to run a electric heater for about 4 or 5 hours, right, and then I'm able to charge it using the solar panel or charge it from a car battery, then this right here will allow me to have anywhere from 2 hours to 5 hours of heat, right, just changing out the butane. So we want to unbox it before we create more content with it. So let's see what we have, and hopefully we'll be able to bring it out on the fish dish and see exactly how it works, and then into the studio. We'll be back.
Hello, I'm James, Tech Reviews from the Bathroom Buddy. Today we want to see what comes in the box for the Portable Buddy propane heater. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at this portable heating solution and exploring its features and capabilities. So what's in the box? Basically the heater and instructions. Now that we see what's in the box, let's talk about the size and design of the heater. The Mr. Heater Portable Buddy is small and compact, making it easy to take with you on the go. It's perfect for camping trips, tailgating events, or for use in a workshop or garage. Now, let's talk about how the heater is powered. The Portable Buddy is designed to be used with a small, disposable propane tank. These tanks are about the size of a coffee can and can be found at most outdoor and hardware stores. The size of the tank you'll need will depend on how long you want the heater to run and how much space you want to heat. According to Mr. Heater, the Portable Buddy can run for up to 6 hours on a single 16.4 Oz propane canister at the low heat setting, or about 3 hours at the high heat setting. In terms of heating power, Mr. Heater claims that the Portable Buddy can heat up to 225 square feet. However, it's important to note that this will depend on the insulation and ventilation of the room, as well as any other factors that might affect heating efficiency. Overall, the Portable Buddy is best suited for small, enclosed spaces such as tents, campers, or workshops. Before using the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy, be sure to read and follow all manufacturer's instructions to ensure safe and proper use. And with that, we conclude our unboxing and review of the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy propane heater. Thanks for watching. Back to you, Tech.
Thank you, James. Welcome back, guys. There you have it, the Portable Buddy heater. Now, I'm curious to put my Delta Max, plug in a regular heater, because the one I have, last time I plugged it in and put it on high, the estimated time on my Delta Max was about 3 to 5 hours. So if we can run this on high using the propane bottles, I'm curious to see which one will run out first. Now, obviously, you can have spare bottles, and when you out of power, out of the max, you have to recharge it. But we do have the 400 solar panel watt. Maybe we will bring both of them out on the fish dish on a cold day and put them through the test. I don't know, guys. Comment below. It's your boy taking a bathroom. If you really want to see how it works and really want to put it through the test, give me some ideas below and share the video. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Why y'all not following me on TikTok? It's in the description of the video. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe.